Getting ready to move and realizing you've got furniture you don't want to take with you? Don't worry, you've got plenty of options to clear it out easily and responsibly before moving day. First, take a look at your furniture and decide what's worth keeping, donating, selling, or tossing. If something's in good shape, donating is a great choice. Charities like Goodwill, Habitat for Humanity, and the Salvation Army often accept furniture donations and may even offer free pickup. It's an easy way to help others and lighten your load. If you want to make a little extra cash, sell your furniture online through apps like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or OfferUp. Make sure to take clear photos, write honest descriptions, and price items fairly to attract buyers fast. For furniture that's damaged or too old to sell or donate, check your local bulk trash pickup or recycling programs. Many cities have scheduled pickup days or drop-off sites where you can safely dispose of large items. Another idea is repurposing or upcycling. Sometimes, a simple coat of paint or new fabric can give an old piece of fresh life, especially if you're moving into a new space and want a creative project. And if you're working with professional movers, remember to tell them ahead of time which furniture pieces you're not bringing. That helps them plan the move more efficiently and can even lower your overall cost. Clearing out unwanted furniture before your move not only saves time and money, but it also makes settling into your new home so much easier. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com or email us at contactus@movers.com. You can also call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.